Hi, welcome to Keowee Marina on Lake Keowee. Whether you're a seasoned boater or a first-timer, launching your boat safely and effectively is key to starting your day on the water the right way. Here is a step-by-step guide to launching your boat. Before you even approach the ramp, pull into the designated boat trailer parking area and prep your boat to be launched. Here's what to do. Load any gear, life jackets, and supplies. Insert the drain plug securely. And check that your boat key and kill switch are in place and the battery is on. Once you're ready, slowly back your vehicle down the ramp. Align your trailer with the water so it's straight and back in until the back of the boat starts to float. Once the boat is floating, engage the parking brake and shift your vehicle into park. Have a friend help guide the boat off the trailer, or use a rope to gently walk it back into the water. After your boat is safely launched, pull your vehicle forward and park in the designated area. Be mindful of those waiting to launch their boats. Remember, patience and preparation are key to a smooth boat launch. By following these steps, you'll keep the process safe and stress-free. Have some fun out there on beautiful Lake Keowee. For more tips and information, visit KeoweeMarina.com today.